Hey there, English learners! Welcome to Learn English by Talking, where speaking English becomes natural and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Sarah, I have to tell you something.
What's that, Mike?
I'm really hungry right now.
Oh no, already? We just started.
I know. I keep thinking about food. A juicy steak, some crispy fries, maybe a cold drink.
Mike, you're making me hungry now.
Sorry, but actually, this gives me a great idea for today's topic.
Oh, really? What's that?
Let's talk about restaurants, ordering food in English.
That's perfect. Going to a restaurant is one of the most common situations where you need to speak English.
Exactly. And it can feel scary if you don't know the right phrases.
Well, today we're going to fix that. We'll teach you everything you need to know to order confidently at a restaurant.
Before we start, please subscribe to Learn English by Talking.
Yes, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this with anyone learning English.
Your support helps us create more lessons for you.
All right, Mike, are you ready to go to a restaurant?
I'm starving. Let's go.
Okay, Mike, imagine you're standing outside a nice restaurant. What's the first thing you do?
Well, I walk up to the door and open it.
Good. And when you walk in, who do you see?
Usually there's someone at the front, the host or hostess.
Exactly. This person greets you and helps you find a table. What do you say to them?
I'd say hello or hi with a smile.
Perfect. Always start with a greeting. It's polite and friendly.
Then what?
Then you need to tell them how many people are in your group.
Ah, right. So if I'm alone, I say,
A table for one, please.
and if I'm with you,
A table for two, please.
what if there are 5 people?
A table for five, please. See the pattern? A table for plus the number.
That's easy. A table for and then however many people.
Exactly. And don't forget to say please at the end.
So I walk in, smile, and say, hi, a table for 2, please.
Perfect. Now what does the host say?
Probably something like, follow me.
Yes. They might say, follow me, please, or this way, please.
And then I follow them to the table.
Right. They'll show you where to sit. And once you sit down, what's the first thing you need?
The menu.
Exactly. Usually, the host or waiter will give you the menu automatically.
But what if they don't?
Then you can ask. Say, can I have the menu, please? Or may I see the menu?
Can I have the menu, please? That sounds polite.
It is. And remember, please is your best friend in a restaurant.
Got it. So now I have the menu in my hands.
Right. Let's talk about what you'll see on that menu.
Okay, Sarah, I'm looking at the menu. I see a lot of sections. Can you explain them?
Of course. Most menus are divided into categories. The first one is usually appetizers or starters.
What's the difference between appetizer and starter?
They're the same thing. In American English, we say appetizer. In British English, it's starter.
And what are they exactly?
They're small dishes you eat before the main meal, like soup, salad, or fried calamari.
Oh, I love soup as a starter. So I look in the appetizer section for that.
Exactly. Then after appetizers comes the main section.
The main course?
Yes, this is your primary meal, the big dish. It might be called entrees or main courses.
What kind of food is in that section?
All the big items: steak, chicken, fish, pasta, burgers, whatever the restaurant specializes in.
Got it. So appetizers are small, main courses are big.
Right. And after the main course?
Dessert,
Exactly. Dessert is the sweet food you eat at the end of the meal.
like cake, ice cream, pie.
Yes, all the delicious sweet things. And finally, there's usually a drink section.
For water, soda, juice, coffee.
Exactly. Sometimes alcoholic drinks are listed separately, too.
This makes sense. Appetizers, main course, dessert, drinks.
You've got it. Now you know how to navigate a menu.
But Sarah, what if I don't understand a dish on the menu?
Great question. You can always ask the waiter. Say, what is this? Or, can you explain this dish?
That's helpful. I don't want to order something I don't like.
Exactly. It's totally okay to ask questions. Waiters expect it. All right, Mike, you've looked at the menu. You know what you want. Now the waiter comes to your table.
What does the waiter say?
Usually they ask, are you ready to order?
And if I'm ready, I say yes.
You can say yes, or yes I am, or yes please.
What if I need more time?
Then say, not yet, just a few more minutes please. Or, can I have another minute?
That's polite. Okay, let's say I'm ready. How do I actually order?
There are a few ways. You can say, I would like, or I'll have, or even, can I get?
Which one is most polite?
I would like is the most formal and polite.
So I'd say, I would like the grilled chicken, please.
Perfect. That's exactly right.
What about I'll have? Is that okay too?
Absolutely. I'll have the grilled chicken is very natural and common.
And can I get?
That's more casual, but still fine. Can I get the chicken?
Got it. Let me practice. I would like the salmon, please.
Excellent. Now, what if you want to order an appetizer too?
I could say, to start, I would like the soup.
Perfect. To start, or for my starter, or as an appetizer.
And then for the main course.
And for my main course, I'll have the salmon.
This is making sense now.
Great. Now the waiter will probably ask about your drink.
They'll say, what would you like to drink or anything to drink?
Exactly. How do you answer?
I'll have water, please, or I would like a coffee.
Perfect. Let's do a quick practice. I'll be the waiter.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables.
Perfect. And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Wonderful. So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 grilled salmon, and 1 water. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
See? You did great.
That was easier than I thought.
It is. Just remember those key phrases. I would like and I'll have.
And always say please.
Always.
Okay, so I've ordered. Now I'll wait for the food, right?
Right. And when the waiter brings your food, what do they usually say?
Enjoy your meal.
Exactly. And what do you say back?
Thank you.
Perfect. Simple and polite.
Now I'm eating my delicious food. What if the waiter comes by?
They might check on you. They'll ask, how is everything? Or is everything okay?
And if the food is good?
You can say, everything is great, thank you. Or it's delicious.
Delicious. That's a good word. Delicious.
Yes, it means very, very tasty.
What if I need something during the meal, like more water?
First, you need to get the waiter's attention.
How do I do that politely?
When they walk by, make eye contact and say, excuse me.
Excuse me. And then what?
Then you ask for what you need. Can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more water, please? That's easy.
Yes, you can use can I have for anything. Can I have more bread? Can I have some napkins?
What if I need a fork or spoon?
Excuse me, can I have another fork, please?
Perfect. What about if something is wrong with the food?
That's tricky, but you can say politely, excuse me, I think there's a problem with my order.
And explain what's wrong?
Yes, this isn't what I ordered, or this is too cold.
I hope that doesn't happen, but it's good to know.
Always good to be prepared. Now, let's say you finish your main course.
The waiter comes to take my plate?
Yes, and they might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
Ooh, dessert. I'd say yes, please.
I knew you'd want dessert.
Always. So they bring the dessert menu, I look at it, and I order the same way?
Exactly. I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Chocolate cake. My favorite.
Mine too. Okay, so you've had appetizer, main course, and dessert. Now what?
Time to pay?
Exactly. Let's talk about that. All right, Mike, you finished eating, you're full and happy. Now you need to pay.
How do I ask for the bill?
You get the waiter's attention again, excuse me, and then you ask.
What exactly do I say?
You can say, can I have the bill, please? Or, can I get the check, please?
Wait, bill and check are the same thing?
Yes, bill is more common in British English. Check is more American English, but everyone understands both.
So, can I have the check, please, works everywhere.
Absolutely. The waiter will bring you a small folder or piece of paper with the total amount.
And then I pay with cash or card.
Either one is fine. If you're not sure if they accept cards, you can ask, do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards? Good to know.
Most places do nowadays, but it's always good to check.
So I give them my card or cash. What do I say?
You can say, here you are, or just hand it to them with a smile.
They'll process your payment and bring back your receipt. And then I'm done.
Almost. Don't forget to leave a tip if it's customary in that country.
Right. In the U.S., tipping is expected.
Usually 15 to 20% for good service.
And then I can leave.
Yes, as you leave, you can say, "Thank you," or "Thank you, goodbye," to the waiter.
That's polite and shows I appreciated the service.
Exactly. A smile and a thank you go a long way.
Sarah, I think we should do a complete role play from start to finish.
Great idea. I'll be the waiter, you be the customer.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Good evening, sir. Welcome. How many people?
Just me. A table for one, please.
Of course. Right this way, please. Here's your table and your menu.
Thank you very much.
Take your time looking at the menu. I'll be back in a moment. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like to start with a French onion soup, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the ribeye steak, medium rare, with mashed potatoes.
Perfect. And to drink?
I'll have a glass of red wine, please.
Wonderful. So that's 1 French onion soup, 1 ribeye steak medium rare with mashed potatoes, and 1 glass of red wine. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. I'll be right back with your wine. Here is your wine and your soup. Enjoy.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
How is everything so far?
Everything is fantastic. The soup is amazing.
I'm so glad to hear that. Here is your steak. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
How was your steak?
It was perfect, cooked exactly right.
Wonderful. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. I can't resist dessert.
Have you decided on dessert?
Yes, I'll have the apple pie with vanilla ice cream.
Excellent choice. Here's your pie. Enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the check, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Here's my credit card.
Thank you, sir. I'll be right back. Here is your card and receipt. Thank you for dining with us.
Thank you for the wonderful service. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Wow, we just did the whole experience.
We did, from entering to leaving.
It's really not that complicated when you break it down.
Not at all. Just a few key phrases and you're good to go. Well, Mike, I think we covered everything you need to know about ordering at a restaurant.
We really did. From asking for a table to paying the bill.
The key is just being polite and using those simple phrases we practiced.
I would like, I'll have, can I have, and always please and thank you.
Exactly. Those will get you through any restaurant experience.
I feel much more confident now. I think anyone listening can do this.
Absolutely. Just practice and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's all we have time for today on Learn English by Talking.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope this helps you feel confident ordering in English.
If you found this useful, please subscribe, like, and share with other English learners.
And here's our question for you. What's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Leave a comment and tell us. We want to know, is it pizza, pasta, a burger?
We read every comment and love hearing from you.
Until next time, keep practicing and keep talking.
See you in the next episode.